Hold on. Okay. Where'd you get those? You really see through that? All right.
Sunglasses.
Nah. What's up?
Yo, what's up, man?
Sheikh, why do you look so cute on TV? What part of the room did this come from? Oh, I had it upside down.
Oh, okay.
Actually, Sheikh, you can read that. What does it say?
Do all Muslims have to wear a beard?
Do all Muslims have to wear a beard? Actually, no, not the girls. I mean, seriously, Sheikh, don't you hate it when a girl's beard is longer than yours?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm with you. Let's take the next one. About the hijab. Do all
Muslim women have to wear hijab?
Do all the Muslims wear hijab? Not the boys. But actually, do all the Muslim girls have to wear hijab? Do the Muslim girls have to wear hijab? No. 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 The dalil is Quran al-Kareem. In Quran, Allah tells you in Surah An-Nur, chapter 24, verse 31, and in Surah Ahzab, chapter 33, verse 59, clearly telling you that in front of her father, she doesn't need it. In front of her brother, she doesn't need it. In front of her uncle, and so many, she doesn't need it. And then in Surah Ahzab, it says when she goes out to wear the jilbab, the covering over everything, yes or no? So she doesn't need hijab if she stays home.